So today is a beautiful and freezing cold day in Tokyo, Japan, and we are about to meet Rikako, my new girlfriend.
What better thing is there to do on a family vacation to Japan than to ditch your family and go rent a girlfriend? I've been single for about 8 months now and felt like this is a great opportunity to have a lot of fun. I even had my new girlfriend pick out an outfit for me. So here's the website where you can rent girlfriends in Japan, but I didn't need to scroll much because I already had my eyes set on this lovely lady named Rikako. Here's some photos of Rikako wearing a cool kimono dress. Rikako's bio was promising. Her appearance is often seen as sparkly and cheerful, but is an otaku at heart. I myself am otaku, which is an anime and computer game lover.
So we're almost here. A little bit nervous, but I hope it goes well, so we'll see. Okay, so I just ran across the train station trying to get here,
So here's what's happening. She messages me, today I'm wearing a white down jacket, black shirt, and black handbag. Tell me your outfit. So I sent this message of my outfit and I felt like I should be sticking out a bit, right? The issue is I've already been waiting at our meeting place for 3 minutes and she's not here. 5 minutes goes by and says, I've arrived in front of New Days. Where are you now? She said, meet at New Days, and that's where I currently was. The thought crossed my mind that I might be getting played. Turns out, Rikako is currently at New Days' East exit store, and I was at the New Days South exit store. So I scrolled through my messages and found that she told me 1 week ago to meet at the East exit. Japanese people are strict on punctuality, so this date is not starting off great.
Hi there, sorry I'm late. Hi, good to see you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Rikako.
Rikako?
Rikako.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Joshua.
Joshua. Joshua-san. Yoroshiku.
Yoroshiku.
Yes. Okay, should we go
Let's go
to lunch?
sushi.
Okay. Thank you, I'm so sorry.
No problem.
No, I went to New Days, but it was way over there.
Oh.
Like a different exit. So we made it. Yes. So is this a good restaurant?
Yeah, good restaurant.
Good restaurant? Okay.
Called Sushi Mamire.
Sushi Mamire?
Yes.
Okay. Oishii desu ka?
Yes, oishii. Do you know Godzilla head?
Godzilla head?
Movie Godzilla.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Godzilla head.
Oh, it's here?
Yes, yes.
No way.
Kabuki station. What's this? Godzilla. Godzilla
Oh
head.
my god. Wait, let's see. Right, this one. That's amazing.
Live in Tokyo.
In Tokyo, okay. So you'd say 10 minutes to Shinjuku Station?
Shinjuku station, train at 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that's kind of far. Yeah. ごめんなさい.
No.
Yeah.
大丈夫?
Yeah, if you want, we can talk in translator.
No, thank you. 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Wow.
Let me tell you, eye contact on a date is very important. I asked Rikako how long she's done the service for, and she said for 2 years. I then asked what her dream job would be, and her dream is to become a professional tour guide in Japan. I think the date's going pretty good so far, so let's continue.
That's pretty good.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. This is my first time in Japan ever.
Oh,
Yeah. First time. Yeah.
Where are you from?
You know California?
California?
Yeah. Sushi Mamire.
Yes, Sushi Mamire.
You wanna maybe check us in? Yeah. Thanks, Rikako. Alright. Thank you. Okay, let's see what to order.
Yeah. Order is
Oh, you have to use a pen here?
recommended.
Normally I'd take the initiative in this spot with ordering food we both like, but I wanted to see what Rikako likes first and not order my usual sushi. Now I've practiced Japanese for 1 year now, and my preschooler speaking level has not got me as far as I would hope.
Does that say...
Shrimp.
Is this?
Recommend.
Recommend.
Osusume.
Yeah, one you got?
Salmon.
Salmon, yeah.
You too?
Yeah.
Ikura.
Kura, yeah.
So I guess the camera wasn't recording for the last 10 minutes, so here's an update. Rikaku's 29 years old and currently works 2 jobs, the other being a sales consultant. She also non-verbally refused to order anything without my permission first, which is definitely a cultural difference here. And lastly, she wants to travel to New York for the first time and check out a Broadway show, which is super cool. Unfortunately, it's been about 2 hours since I left the hotel and I really need to pee.
Okay, so we're on the date with Rikako and I have to go to the bathroom. And I think the craziest thing is there's an actual smoking room. Look at this. And the bathrooms are so tiny, all hooked up with the bidet system. Let me tell you, it smells like cigarettes right now. This is crazy.
After lunch, we walked around Shinjuku, and when your girl points to something with enthusiasm and you don't have any plans that day, you just go. Trust me with this one, boys, you won't regret it. Rikaku pointed at some cute dogs, you know what that means.
Oh, dog cafe. Yes. Should we go really quick? That sounds so nice. Oh, look at this. Inu. Inu. All right, Rikako.
And one more thing before we go in, it's always ladies first.
Good. You go first. Yes. We're about to go into the dog cafe. I'm really excited. Konnichiwa.
Do you buy
Hi.
The shopkeeper had said there's 2 options for dog treats during our visit. First, we have the 550 yen option for the shredded chicken, or you can upgrade to the 850 yen option for shredded chicken, beef bites, and banana chips. I elected for the 550 yen chicken option initially, and she basically said, how could you not upgrade to the premium option? Do you not care about dogs?
Oh, no.
This is important for us to remember. Mika and Sakurako are very allergic to chicken. This also reminded me that I myself are really allergic to cats and dogs. I don't feel like telling Rikaku right now.
Inu time. Oh.
Ichigo milk.
Ichigo milk.
Yeah, strawberry milk.
Oh. Strawberry. Okay.
And dessert.
No dessert, yeah. No coffee. Yeah. Honestly, this is a great date so far. I'm very excited for this. You got a coffee? Spooky. This one. Hey. Sit. Sit. Oh, I don't think they speak English. Okay. It's for you, puppy. What the heck?
Oh, they're bombarding me.
Where's the respect around here? Jeez. Hey, puppy. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ah! Okay, okay.
Oh no.
The staff and customers have been laughing at me get absolutely trampled. I'm glad everyone's having a great time. At this point, my allergies have not quite kicked in, which is a good thing, but I hope you've been keeping track of the 2 dogs that have allergies. This could be important.
Oh my god.
Inu.
Osmo, yeah.
Osmo.
Cosmo, kurage.
Kurage.
Kurage, piano.
Piano.
Juno.
Juno.
Yes.
Juno.
Juno. Juno. Juno.
Juno. 面白いです。
No.
The dogs were getting a little feisty for the last bits of chicken, but she held her ground. I was proud. But I think it's best if we packed up and headed to our next destination.
Guys, I think I'm in love with her. But now it's time for bowling.
I'm not good.
Not good? No. It's really easy because you can put the bumpers.
I'm child. Bowling.
Bowling. Yeah. Okay, so look at this. That's where we're going, the bowling. Which one?
Entrance.
Oh, the entrance? Oh, is this one? Copa. Copa. Copa bowl. Yeah.
Uh-oh, so we both got stopped. This guy politely asked to not film inside the building, which is totally okay. And this really reminded me of one of my first Pokemon battles where he crossed his arms. Now, if you notice on the desk there's 2 levels. We're currently on the 4th level, which is the bright lit bowling alley where he's supervising. And on the 3rd level is the dark lit alley. I thought I might be able to get away with filming on the dark lit alley, so that's what we elected for.
Okay. This one's for you, Rikako.
Oh, nice. You're good.
Thank you. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah.
So even if your girl is bowling like absolute garbage, it's all supposed to be fun, and words of encouragement are very important. Even if Rikako gets a couple pins down, I'm giving her a high five. What I did not expect is what Rikako did next, which is bowl like an absolute legend for the remainder of the game.
Oh. Nice job. Yeah.
Nothing wins my heart faster than a woman who could bowl. Me and Rikako have definitely formed a connection at this point. Just look at that smile. Shortly after this, we ended up leaving and walked around Shinjuku for a while. The excitement's high. Let's see what happens next. But before we move on, this video is sponsored by my own jewelry company, Sea Candy Jewelry. We specialize in beach-inspired jewelry for women, and all of our products are pure sterling silver. We take a lot of pride in having our team build in only pure silver so that you don't get those green fingers. I mean, look at this. We're already on our 33,000th order. You might as well check it out. Use code Rikako25 for 25% off your first order. I really appreciate you checking it out. Let's get back to the video.
Okay. So Rikako took me to go gambling. So this is really nice. Okay, the money change. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Ah. Oh! Yes, Rikako! Oh. Yes! No!
Oh, good.
So if you've been to Japan before, you know these crane games are everywhere. And in all honesty, most of them are rigged. At this point, we've dusted off over $40 in coins. But then, Rikako did something magical.
Oh! Yes! Yes! What's his name? Let's see. Oh, 2! Oh my god.
Have I mentioned that I love this woman? Because I love this woman. Chocolate strawberry covered teddy bears? Are you kidding me? I think it's time to grab our winnings and get out of here.
Yeah. Look what we won. With Rikako. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll go shopping.
Yeah, go shopping.
Okay.
Bloomingdale.
Bloomingdale? Okay.
Yes.
Because I really need to get some new clothes. So I trust your style.
Oh.
What is popular for brand?
Nike.
Nike? Okay.
Adidas.
Adidas, yeah. I have Adidas shoes.
Oh, Adidas shoes. Oh, be careful.
Oh. Yeah, we're in the middle of the road. That's bad.
You see that? She cares about me. Anyways, moving on.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Go straight.
Straight? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so me and Rikako are at a clothing store. And I told her on the translator to buy an entire outfit for me. And I'll pay for it, so. Okay.
What's gonna?
What's gonna?
Great. It's great.
Yeah. Kawaii.
かっこいい.
Oh, let's see other ones.
Do you like jeans?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I think you pointed me in the girls section.
わかんないな.
No.
Girls かもしれない.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm starting to doubt Rikaku's abilities a little bit here, but I also feel like girls get so much satisfaction out of doing stuff like this. So I'm just gonna keep letting her cook.
Can you imagine if I tried that on? That'd be hilarious. Is that good? Okay, let's see.
Oh, very good.
Yeah? Okay, let's see. Alright, Rikako. Okay, that's a good style. Let's see there. Not bad. Okay.
You try?
Yeah.
あ、はい、いいですか?
Oh, how much? Okay. How much? Okay.
Yay, very cool.
It's good? Oh yeah. Rikako outfit. Finish the day, me and Rikako are going to Starbucks.
Yes.
Yeah. So I told Rikako on the translator to buy me what she likes. And she told me she likes chocolate frappuccinos.
Yes.
All right, so the date's almost over, so listen up, boys. We've laid all the foundation work, but it's time to end on a sweet note. We made her feel special. We had a lot of fun, but you can never go in for the kill on the first date. This is second date, third date territory. So there's nothing better than a quick Starbucks and call it. I think this might be a mission accomplished here.
This is my first time in Japanese Starbucks.
Oh, first time.
First time, yeah.
Seasonable caramel milk coffee frappuccino.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Frappuccino.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So that was a pretty fun date. And
Yeah.
it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Okay,
too.
Rikako. So I'll see you.
See
Okay.
you.
So that's it. That's the date. Let me know in the comments if you think I did a good job. And what was nice was Rikaku sent me a message right after saying that she had really fun that day and to send me some photos, and I'll send some photos back. Rikaku even later told me she posted about the dog cafe on her blog. I had to translate the Japanese, but it was really funny because she said she was afraid of small dogs and that everyone's used to it. I scrolled up and apparently it was her first time going to a dog cafe. And the best part of it all is 2 hours after that, we agreed to meet at my hotel, and that's when we started